Did you know that if you had invested in Bitcoin in 2013, you would have made more than 200 times your initial investment in 2022? You could have turned $100 into $20,000 and $10,000 into $2 million. Now imagine what you would do with that money. Chances are, if you are watching this just like me, you've missed that train. What if I told you that there was an asset that if you were to invest as early as today, that you would reap tremendous benefit? It will pay out a significant dividend, and it will also save you from the regret of not having pitched in earlier. Hi, my name is John Yang. I'm a physical therapist, and my job is to work with individuals who suffer from pain and other impairments, preventing them from living their optimal lifestyle. I happen to have seen and worked with many individuals who wish that they had invested in this one asset earlier on in their lives. Now, you may have guessed what that asset is, and it is physical fitness. One regret that many people have is that they wish they had taken a better care of their bodies earlier on. Imagine working a 9-to-5 job for 30 plus years just to retire with crippling neck pain, low back pain, knee issues. You can't go to a ski resort if you wanted to. You can't go on a 2-hour flight. You have a hard time playing with grandkids because your knees are weak and you can't get onto the floor anymore. So much of people's hard-earned money becomes part of their medical bills, their expenses, surgeries, medications, and the biggest cost, arguably, is not being able to do the things that you care for later on in life. Data shows that our healthcare expense increases almost exponentially as we get older. If you are insanely rich, you may be able to get by. But for those of us in the middle class and who are just average working individuals, it is important to find ways to minimize and cut down on these costs. As a physical therapist, my job is to optimize people's physical well-being and give people advice that are practical and effective. In my opinion, there are 3 practical investments that you can make to improve your physical fitness right now. 1 is exercise, 2 is nutrition, and 3 is lifestyle habits. Many people get confused as to how to invest in their health practically, and I don't blame you. There's so much misinformation and differing opinions on the internet that you have to wade through to get to the right info. Stay tuned and follow my channels for more practical tips and cost-effective ways to manage and invest in your health early on. Start investing in the most important asset that you have today, and that is your physical fitness. Invest today and you'll reap the rewards soon and in the future.